Each spinner below is divided into 4 equal sectors. Each is spun once and the product of the spin is calculated. What is the probability that the product is positive? So what you're doing here is, suppose the spinner is on -2 the first time you spin this, and the first time you spin the next one, it's on -3. So -2 times -3 would be 6, and that's positive. So similarly, if you did -2 times 0, you'd get 0, -2 times -1, you'd get 2, and -2 times 2, you'd get -4, and so on. So that's what you would do. Then you would do for -1, for -3, -4. For each of these numbers, you got to find out the product with the other set of numbers on the other spinner. So what I did is I decided to form a table showing all the possible outcomes so that we don't miss out anything, and it's easier to count. So you see, we write down 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's all the numbers on spinner, the first spinner, and then 0, -1, 2, -3, all the numbers on the second spinner. And when you multiply them, you get, if you have 0 on one spinner and 1 on -2, 3, 4, all the outcomes, the product will be 0. If it's a -1, then you would get -1 and 2 and -3 and -4. If it's a 2, it would be 2 and -4 and 6 and 8, and then -3 and 6 and -9 and -12. So the total number of possible outcomes is 16. And the number of positive outcomes are, see, I highlighted the positive ones. Here 0 is being counted as positive, that's to be noted. 0 is positive, so then 2, that's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the number of positive outcomes is 9. So our probability that the product is positive would be 9 out of 16.